Let's start with a super fast addition using the Vedic Maths. If I say you need to add 9 and 8, how would you go to count that? I'm pretty much sure that most of you will start counting on your fingers or in your head like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the answer is 17. But the Vedic Maths gives us a very pretty simple technique. Whenever there is a 9 and you're adding a number, the technique says that you add the 1 to 9 and you subtract the 1 from the other one. So 9 plus 1 is a 10 and 8 minus 1 is a 7. The answer is 17. We can do this pretty much in our head itself. Let me take another example and show you how to do that. I'm taking here the example 59 plus 4. We know that 9 is there with 59. So we increase it by 1, we get a 60. Decrease it by 1, we get a 3. So answer is 63. It's pretty much simple. If there is any question, you're adding the two numbers, anyone is ending at a 9, we simply do this technique. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's do some of the multiplications. You need to multiply 32 by 11. The conventional method is just same, like you write them and you multiply and so on. After getting the 2 steps, you will be having your answer. That is a very better technique using the Vedic Maths. We are multiplying 32 by 11. Here, we take the 3 as it is. We take the 2 as it is. There should be something in the middle. The middle will be the add the numbers. The addition of the numbers 3 plus 2 is 5. The answer is 352. It's so easy to multiply by 11.